students, once again welcome back for the continuation of exercise 4.6 in mathematics. As I already told you, this exercise is purely based on multiplication and division of fraction. As you know that multiplication of fraction we have already finished in previous class. Today we shall do division of fraction. Now here question number 2, solve the following. Here a 12 by 7 is divided by 48 over 21. As you can see, there is divide sign between these two fractions. It means that we have to divide this fraction. While we are dividing a fraction, first of all, we'll change the divide sign into multiplication sign. And whatever the fraction is there after divide sign, we'll write the reciprocal of that fraction, or we'll inverse that fraction. Now here you can see 12 by 7 is divided by 48 over 21. First, this 12 by 7 will remain same. Now this divide sign will change into multiplication sign. Here after divide sign there is a fraction 48 over 21. We'll write the reciprocal of this fraction, or we'll inverse this fraction. Now this 48 numerator will write as the denominator here, and this denominator will write as the numerator 21. Here the 21 over 48 is the reciprocal of 48 over 21. Now here after that you can see here multiply sign between these two fractions. As I already explained you, we can cancel only numerator and denominator by same number. Here we can cancel or divide the numerator and denominators only by the same number. Here multiply sign first. Here fraction 12 by 7, numerator 12, will cancel this 12 with denominator of another fraction, here 48. Now we'll cancel 12 and 48. Both these are even number. Both these are divisible by 2. Here, now next, 3 fours are 12, 3 16s are 48. Now after that, 4 3s are 12, 4 12s are 48, 6 2s are 12, 6 8s are 48. Now next 12 1s are 12, 12 4s are 48. We have to use highest common factor or GCD, greatest common divisor. Here 12 is the common factor between 12 and 48. Both these are divisible by 12. 12 1s are 12, 12 4s are 48. So we'll cancel this by 12. 12 1s are 12. 12 4s are 48. Now next here, this denominator 7 and this numerator 21 will cancel here. We'll find this 7 and 21. Both this number in 7 multiplication table. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. Both these are divisible by 7, or we can cancel your 7 and 21 by 7, because 7 is the common factor or the common number between 7 and 21. 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. 1 by 1 into 3 by 4. 1 into 3, 3. 1 into 4, 4. This is a proper fraction. Proper fraction means it's a fraction whose numerator is less than denominator. As you can see here, 3 is less than 4. So it is a proper fraction. Now we'll leave this answer as it is. Now next here, 9 is divided by 27 over 2. There is no denominator in this number. 9 is a whole number. So in this case, we can write 1 as the denominator. We'll write again this divide sign. 27 over 2. Here, next step will change this divide sign into multiplication sign. This will remain same, 9 over 1. Then this divide sign will change into multiplication sign or multiply sign. Here we'll write the reciprocal of this fraction. I said here, while we are changing the divide sign into multiplication or multiply sign, you have to write the reciprocal of the fraction which is present after this sign. Here 2 over 27. The 2 over 27 is the reciprocal of 27 over 2. Now first here 9. We'll cancel this 9 and 27. Here we can cancel this 9 and 27 by 3 and 9. So in this case we'll use 9. 9 1 are 9. 9 1 are 9. 9 2 are 18. 9 3 are 27. We'll cancel this by 9. 9 1 are 9. 9 3 are 27. Now here 1 over 1 into 2 by 3. 1 into 2, 2. 1 into 3, 3. This is also an improper fraction because numerator is less than denominator. So we'll leave this answer as it is. Now next question here, E. Again here 15 over 2 is divided by 25. There is no denominator. We can write 1 as the denominator. Now next step, 15 over 2 will change this divide sign into multiplication sign. Then we'll write the reciprocal of this fraction. Now we'll write this one as the numerator and 25 will write as the denominator. So 15 and 25, these are divisible by 5 because 5 is the common factor between 15 and 25. So 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25. Now here we cannot cancel 3 and 2, we cannot cancel 3 and 5 because there is no common between 3 and 2 and 3 and 5. So we'll this 3 over 2, 3 into 1, 3, 2 into 5, 2 5s are 10. Question number H. 2 into 3 by 11 is divided by 30 over 44. Here in this case, first of all, we'll change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. This 2 whole number is multiplied by this denominator 11. Now whatever the product you'll get, you have to add with this numerator 3. Now 11 1s are 11, 11 2s are 22. 22 plus 3, 22 plus 3, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25 over 11. Now this divide sign 30 over 44. Now next step will change this divide sign into multiplication sign. This first fraction will remain same. 25 over 11. Now we'll write this divide sign into multiplication sign. After divide sign there is a fraction 30 over 44. We'll write the reciprocal of this fraction. We'll write this reciprocal of this fraction. This 44 will write as the numerator and 30 will write as the denominator. 44 over 30 is the reciprocal of 30 over 44. Now we will cancel here 25 and 30. Here both 25 and 30 are divisible by 5. We can find 25 and 30 in 5 multiplication table. So 5 is the common between 25 and 30. So 5 5s are 25. 5 6 are 30. Now here 11 and 44. Now we cannot cancel this 5 and 6. There is no common between 5 and 6. Now next here 11 and 44. 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 11 threes are 33, 11 fours are 44. 11 is common between 11 and 44. We can find 11 and 44 in 11 multiplication table. So both this 11 and 44 are divisible by 11. So 11 ones are 11. 11 fours are 44. Again here we can cancel numerator and denominator. We cannot cancel numerator. We cannot cancel denominator. So here 4 and 6 we can cancel. This is numerator, this is denominator. Both these are divisible by 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. Now there is no common between 2 and 3. So it is these numbers are not cancelled by any number. So 5 and 3 we cannot cancel. Here now we'll multiply this number. 5 over 1 into 2 over 3. 5 into 2. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. Numerator 10. 3 1s are 3. When you are cancelling this numerator and denominator, you should have to use pencil. Here, this is an improper fraction. So 10 over 3. Here 10 is divided by 3. So 10. 3 threes are 9. 1 left remainder. So here denominator will same. Now how many times this 10 is divided by 3? 3 times. This 3 will write as the whole number at this side. What is left remainder? 1. We'll write this remainder as the numerator. 3 threes are 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Now here again next question I. This remains same. Then we'll pause, we'll change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 50 over 9 will remain same and divide sign also will remain same. Here 21 into 3. 21 into 2 by 3. This 21 is multiplied by this 3. You will get 63. Your 21 multiplied by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. Now you have to add this 2 plus 2. 65. So we'll get 65 over 3. Now next step we'll change this divide sign into multiplication sign. 50 over 9 will remain same. So this divide sign will change into multiplication sign. Now 60, see your divide sign change into multiplication sign. This is the fraction. We have to write the reciprocal of this fraction. We have to inverse this fraction. So this 65 will write as the denominator and 3 will write as the numerator. Now 50 and 65. There is 0. This and there is 5 in one's place. Both these are divisible by 5. Now 5 tens are 50. 5 ones are 5. 1 left from the 6. 15. 5 threes are 15. Now here 5 tens are 50. 5 13s are 65. Now we cannot cancel this 10 and 13 because 13 is a prime number. Now here is between 13 and 10 there is no common between 13 and 10. So here next your 9 and 3 will cancel by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Now we cannot cancel this 10 and 3, 10 and 13 because there is no common between 10 and 3, 10 and 13. So next step will multiply this numerator, denominator. 10 into 1, 10 1s are 10. Now 3 into 13. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3, 39. And here this 10 over 39 is a proper fraction because 10 is less than 39. Now next year 24 over 9. is divided by 14 over this 14 over 3. This fraction is divided by this fraction. This line means divide. So you can write directly, you will write, you can inverse this ratio, or we'll write post step 24 over 9. I said here this long line, this is a fraction, this is another. This line means divide, we'll write divide sign better. So 14 over 3 will write here. Now next your 24 over 9, will change this divide sign into multiplication sign. Then we'll write the reciprocal of this fraction, 3 over 14. Here instead of this you can write this also directly. Because this line means divide, I have written here. Divide sign, so divide sign change into multiplication sign. Now here 24 and 14 we can cancel by 2. Here 2 12s are 24, 2 7s are 14. Here 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Now 2 7s are 14. There is no common between 12 and 7. So here next 9 and 3. Both this 9 and 3 are divisible by 3. 3 is the common factor between 9 and 3. So we'll cancel by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Now here 12. We can cancel numerator and denominator. 12 and 3 we can cancel here. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. Now here 4 left, 4 into 1. 4 1s are 4. Here 1 into 7, 7. This is a proper fraction because numerator is less than denominator. 4 is less than 7. We cannot convert this proper fraction into mixed fraction. So we'll leave this answer as it. Now we have question number NOP. Here and 68 over 5 is divided by this whole number 17. Here once again here 68 over 5. This fraction is divided by this whole number 17. There is no denominator, so we can write 1 here as the denominator. Now we write 68 over 5. I said here this line means divide. We can write divide sign. Then here 17 over 1. Now next step will change this divide sign into multiplication sign. 68 over 5. Now we'll change this divide sign into multiplication sign. Then we'll write the reciprocal of this fraction. We'll inverse this fraction. So 1 will write as the numerator and 17 will write as the denominator. Now 17 fours are 68. You can write roughly here on the multiplication of 17. 17 is common between 68 and 17. We can cancel by 17, 68 and 17. Now 17 ones are 17, 17 fours are 68, 4 7 are 28, 4 1 are. You can write this way, 17 ones are 17, roughly 17, 17 twos are 2 7 are 14, 2 1 are 34, 17 threes are 3 7s are 21, 3 1s are 3, 5. Now 17 fours are 4 7s are 28, 2 left, 4 1s are 4, 5 6, 68. So here 17 is common between 68 and 17. Now we cannot cancel this numerator 4 and 5. Now 4 over 5 into 1 by 1. Now answer is 4 into 1, 4. We'll multiply numerator, numerator, denominator, denominator. 5 into 1, 5. 4 by 5. This is a proper fraction, and you can see here 4 is less than 5. So we'll leave this answer as it is. Now next here, this here 30 is the whole number. 30 is the whole number. This whole number is divided by this fraction. 25 over 6. First we'll write 30. Now this line means divide, we'll write divide sign. Then we'll write this fraction 25 over 6. Now there is no denominator in this case. Here we can write 1 as the denominator. Now next step we'll change this divide sign into multiplication sign. Now 30 over 1 into, then we'll write the reciprocal of this fraction, or we'll inverse this fraction. So 6 over 25. 6 over 25 is the reciprocal of 25 over 6. Now 30 and 25 will cancel, because we can find both this 30 and 25 in the 5 multiplication table, or 5 is the common factor between 30 and 25. 5 1 is a 5, 5 2 is a 10, 5 2 is a 15, 5 4 is a 20, 5 5 is a 25, 5 6 is a 30. 5 1 is a 5, 5 2 is a 10, 5 3 is a 15, 5 4 is a 20, 5 5 is a 25. Now here, now we cannot cancel this 6 and 5 because there is no common between 6 and 5, and we'll multiply this numerator, denominator. Now here 6 into 6, 6 6 is 36, 1 into 5, 5. So here 36 is divided by 5. This is an improper fraction because 36 is more than 5. Only improper fraction can be converted into mixed fraction. So how can we convert improper fraction into mixed fraction? Your numerator is divided by denominator. 5 7 is 35. Now 1 left. Now denominator 5 will remain same. How many times 36 is divided by 5? 7 times. 5 7 is 35. This 7 will write as the whole number, and remainder will write as the numerator. So 7 into 1 by 5. Now first thing here, when you are cancelling this numerator and denominator, you kindly use pencil. Here next here, again here P, here this 88 is divided, this 88 is a whole number, whereas this 88 is divided by this fraction 11 by 5. So we'll write 88 as the whole number. Now I said here this line means divide, we'll write divide sign here. So 11 over 5. Now here we can write 1 as the denominator. Now we'll change this divide sign into multiplication sign. 88 over 1 will remain same. Now we'll write divide sign, then we'll write the reciprocal of this fraction, or we'll inverse this fraction. 5 over 11. Now we'll cancel 88 and 11. 11 is common factor between 88 and 11. 11 is 88. 11 ones are 11. Now 8 by 1 into 5 by 1. Here 8 into 5. 8 5s are 40. 1 into 1, 1. If there is 1 in denominator, no need to write this 1 as the denominator. So we'll write this fraction as 40 whole number. Dear children, here we have come to the end of today's online class. Thank you very much.